and welcome back to our channel Mahauma's World. Thank you everyone for watching my videos. If you still have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you get notified whenever we make a new video. Today I am going to make kids' favorite spring roll dosa. To make spring roll dosa, we need dosa batter. For that we need cabbage, carrot, onion and capsicum. All the vegetable has to be chopped up lengthwise. You can see carrot, cabbage and very thin, so it will cook faster. Let's start the stuffing process. Heat a pan with 1 teaspoon of oil. Add chopped vegetables, carrot, then cabbage, green capsicum and chopped onion and few garlic chopped lengthwise. Saute the vegetable until it strings or raw smell goes. Don't overcook the vegetables, it has to be crunchy. Saute for 3 minutes on high flame. After 3 minutes, the veggies are half cooked. At this stage, add required amount of salt, half teaspoon pepper powder, 1 teaspoon Szechuan sauce, teaspoon tomato ketchup, 1 teaspoon hot sauce, at last half teaspoon soya sauce. Saute well and cook for 3 minutes on high flame. After 3 minutes, the sauce are well coated with the vegetables. Meanwhile, heat dosa tawa on low flame. Finally, add some chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Switch off the flame and keep it aside. Now we will make dosa. Pour the batter on hot tawa and spread it evenly. After spreading, let's wait for few minutes. Add 1 teaspoon butter and spread it evenly. And cook the dosa until it's half done. Then spread the cooked veggies as required. And some grated cheese on top of the vegetables. It's optional, and cook for a minute. Now the cheese got melted, switch off the flame and start rolling the dosa. Our rolled dosa is ready. Transfer to other plate and cut it into desired shape. The tasty and yummy spring roll dosa is ready. Thank you for watching my videos. Make sure you share with your friends and family. See you in the next video.